Hey, welcome to another video here. We're on our Maxim, we're at the marina. Look what we're doing. We're making straps. So we're putting this on. We cut this with the hot knife, we'll show you that. We do have the snap tool that professionals use. Expensive, but worth every penny. Gives you good lasting results. We are going to put in the back of the boat here, you can see we've got these straps everywhere, but not everywhere. We've got these straps right here. And this allows you to roll this up. But see, I can't roll this little piece up here, so I'm going to add one out here to be able to roll that up. Same thing over there. Then we have this piece here we can't roll up because we don't have straps, and the ones in the front there that we can't do. So let me show you how we're going to do it. We'll show you one, and then I'll do the rest. Okay, so on my snap tool, I've got it set up to accept the button, all right, the button style on the top here. It's got a little rubber grommet to hold it, so you just kind of work it in there. See, it doesn't come out. Then I can put this piece, which is the, this piece is a male snap portion. Put that in here. It doesn't want to hold in my tool, but that works pretty well anyhow. Then we have to put it on here. When we put it on here, we want to square this up. So we put it up above like this, square it up. We want to leave it hang out about 1 inch from the center line, as you can see there, because we want to be able to have something to grab. Then you just take this tool like this. Once you got pressure, I just squeeze it. There we go. Pops out. We've got a snap now on there. That'll go snap in our other part. Now we've got to put a fastener on the canvas. To do that, we have to change our handle. So the big thing we have to change is, because that is going to have a female receiver, you have to pull this piece off. You have to put this one on, right on here. O-ring holds that in place so you don't lose it in the water. Then we have to, again, we can load a female part here, or there. See, that sticks on. This one fits well. And then we have to load this again. Then we have to go put this on our canvas. And as we do that, we need to make sure that, I believe we have the strap also in there. So let's go look at that. All right, so we're in the back of the boat now. You can see how this is on here. All right, we're gonna do the same thing here. Put this like this. All right, notice this is a little longer, but it's longer down there, so we made it a little longer. So I put that like this. Sure, our tool, you always got to make sure see how it's loaded crooked? You got to make sure it's loaded straight. There, now she loaded straight. So you're going to put this on here like this. We're not going to go too far past, we don't want to go past the zipper because then we don't lose support. So we're going to go as close to that zipper end as we can. We're going to space it just like that one. You can see that the head is on the inside. So we put the head on the inside. Just like that. It's a different adjustment. And you can feel the pressure, so you don't really have to keep adjusting it if you don't want to. So there we go. So now that's in there good. All right, we got that on there. So what we can do, unzip this. Rezip this. If I go roll this up, I can snap it. So let's do that. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to step off the boat, roll this up. here you can roll this up, and this goes up here, and you can see if you don't roll it tight enough what happens to you. There you go. And you do the front one, center one. All right. So that's how you roll these up. I'll snap that later. I didn't roll it tight enough, but that's how that rolls up and holds up. Now, the next thing they did, if you unsnap this, let's see. Don't roll these up wet anyhow. You can see the next thing we had here is he was nice enough to take this and put a snap here. You can put that one there and that one there, so the straps don't hang. So now we've got this one, and we got to put a holder for it. So we're either going to put it like that or like this. We're going to put it up here. So we'll be unzipping this again to put another snap here. Again, that has to be a female to receive the male. So we're already set up for that. So what we're going to do, we're going to unzip this like this. We know that we're going to put it right here. So we're going to put it right there. And that's how we're going to do it. Got our female part latched down there. Male part latched in there. All right, we want the, you can see what you want here. So you want the female part of the inside, so female part of the inside. It's going to go right next to this one, right here. Right there. Again, you got to make your adjustment, You can kind of feel the springiness to it, and there we go. And we're on. So now we can have this one here. We can have this one here, or we can do like it was originally designed. Put this one here, this one here. Now we have the option to zip this. All right. So one of the options we have here is zip this. Unzip that, unzip this, and we can come here and say, let's take this one off, and let's take this one off, let them hang down. We can then roll this up nice and snugly. And you can have it like that. So hey, don't forget like and subscribe. Don't miss these videos. Go back and look at the trailer strap for the boat. See that hot knife in action. If you like and subscribe, go to my channel, find the videos. That's how to use a hot knife. It's on a different material, but that's how the hot knife works. It seals everything, so it don't fray on you. It's great for cutting ropes and everything. I recommend you buy one. I got mine at Sailrite. I don't represent them. I'm not making money from them, but I like them, and it was a good working tool. Go to sailrite.com. That's just a plug for them for free, and hey, I love them. They do good work. They sell good products. Once again, I don't make any money on that. So like and subscribe. Post notifications on. We'll be back on the Maxim working on some other projects. I got about 20 more straps to do, so I got to get to work.